half term, so our usual activities are taking a little bit of a break this week. That includes youth club, Noah's Ark, welcome brew, and also this Wednesday evening there's no activities either. So make a note of that and enjoy your week.
Christmas flyers are here at church, so make sure you head to the foyer and get your flyers so you can start inviting friends for all the things we've got going on over the Christmas period that's coming up. It's going to be a great time and an amazing opportunity to get the gospel out there to our friends and family. So pick up them flyers and go invite your mates.
Come see me burn.
We've got a new discipleship course that's going to be starting coming up next month. It's going to be on Thursdays and it's a 3-week practical course for you if you are a new believer. So if you've made that step to follow Jesus and commit your life to him and you want to find out what is the next steps for me as a disciple of him, but this is the course for you. It's going to include teaching, discussions and practical advice of what you can do to further your walk with Jesus. So you can come along on the 6th, on the 13th and on the 20th of November, and they're going to be happening 7:30 till 9 p.m. here at church. So if you're interested in that and you are a new believer, then come along to those sessions, sign up online, get all the information and come along to further your journey with Jesus.
Higher than the life I know. His love forever burns in me. I'm on fire.
So that's all for XL News, but do make sure you're keeping up to date with things on our social media, XL Church UK, and also on our website too, www.xlchurch.org.uk, to keep up to date with everything. Have a great week, guys.